resignation, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, and then for the gratuity is in 1 year, 700 plus.
754.
754. And only that one, sir, I will take from them, or they have another?
You took annual leave or no?
No, sir, I don't take, sir, annual leave, sir.
Okay. You deserve for annual leave 1,000.
1,000 dirham.
1,078.
178, sir.
Yes, for
Oh,
annual leave.
okay, sir. And then for the pending salary, I will take from them because I don't have a salary for month of February.
Sorry?
Because I didn't take also, sir, from the month of the February, the salary. So I will take from them also.
Yes.
Yeah. How about for example, sir, I don't see this one for my, like, for example, he is coming, my PRO is coming on 29 on my last day, and I don't see anything from this kind of like calculation. I will call you back, sir, or I will not sign, sir.
Don't sign on any paper. Says that you received your rights before you receive it. You have to receive in same time you sign on paper, but don't sign before you receive it.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
You are welcome. Any other question?
No problem, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
You are welcome.
Okay,
You
sir.
are
Thank you,
welcome.
sir. God bless,
Bye.
sir.